Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you a simple hack how to transform any rectangular piece of paper into a square one for origamis. A lot of origami instructions start with a square paper, but what to do if you don't have one at home? All you're gonna need is a rectangular piece of paper and scissors. This is really a three-step tutorial. First, we will fold this corner diagonally down and align it with this line. So we will take it, fold it diagonally. You will know when to stop when this line and this line are aligned. So we fold it, really be careful to align it, and once you have it, you press it down. As you can see now, we have a perfect triangle and a new rectangle here, which we can use for later origamis. The next step is you fold the paper on this line, or you can grab a pen and draw a line here. It's optional and it's up to you. For now, in this video, I'm gonna fold it on this line. You can fold it from here upside in, or you can turn it around and fold it in. Again, you need to make sure that it's aligned, and you will know when to stop when the line from the bottom is here. So if we turn it around, we will fold it in, make sure that it's aligned on the bottom, and that line of triangle will stop you. You can go forward. So we'll make sure that it's aligned. And again, press it down. This is our second step. For a more secure version, you can turn it around and fold it again, so that you will have a more visible line. Our last step is taking scissors and cutting this rectangular piece of paper away. So take scissors, be really precise that you are cutting directly on the line. And now we have a perfect square for our next origami, and this rectangular piece of paper that we can also use for our next origami. I hope this helps you, and we will see in the next video.